All right, let's talk about emails. Okay, emailing. It is, let's see, July 3rd of 2024. Time is hauling buns, isn't it? I first emailed or got into the old email thing when America Online gave us those little discs. You've got mail. And I think, was it early 90s or maybe around 93 or 94? Somewhere around there. I just remember getting those discs and it blew me away. First time I started emailing, I couldn't believe it. So right now, here it is 30 some odd years later. And I think, in my opinion, if you're doing online business, that emailing it's just as effective as ever. I know most people are used to spam or maybe business opportunities, but still, people like to get emails that are legit, maybe from a friend or maybe somebody like you and I, all right, that has an opportunity that's pretty darn cool. All right, it's legit and it's working. And the reason why I think most people will like the emails that I send is because they are requesting business opportunities. Okay? So if I send them a business opportunity, they're not going to be offended and just all mad. Okay? This opportunity that I'm going to show you specializes in just lead generation. People all over the good old internet, they're typing in how to make money, how to do this, how to make a living on a cell phone, how to make extra money, maybe in their boxer shorts while eating Cocoa Krispies. Everybody would love to make money online, I think. All right? I know there's a lot of cool careers out there, but most people that follow my YouTube channel, they really do want to just maybe get a laptop, home computer. And I'm at a desk right now. It's nice just to kick back in my little chair here and decorate like Toys R Us exploded on my back wall. And if I can just talk like this on a webcam, okay, great. Most people don't really like to do video, and I get it. And some people, they're into social media, and I hope you are, because I think if you post on social media, like Facebook is my favorite. I know there's TikTok and, oh God, Instagram. Some videos are short, 15 seconds. Mine are usually tutorial based or where I share my screen. So I'm a big fan of, my videos are probably 10 minutes. Some are longer. Some I record where I'm doing 30-minute to 60-minute training little sessions or recruiting ordeals. But I think that if you're kind of shy and you don't want to do any type of video like this, you don't like your hair, you don't like your face, you don't like your voice, you think that you might, just stall and kind of lose your train of thought, and you don't want to feel crazy, and you don't want people to judge you like, oh man, they don't know what they're talking about, and people are going to find out where you live and throw snowballs at you. Is that what happens? In my experience, if you want to try video, you'll get better at it, okay? But if you don't want to do any video whatsoever, I know you can do emails, especially if you can copy and paste and click your, what's this called, a mouse? Just tickle its little bum. All right, you know how to click that thing, okay? So let me share your screen, okay? First of all, thank you for just watching my YouTube channel videos, all right? Now, I got to look at my screen here, and let me shrinky dinky. Okay, first thing I want you folks to do is go to Order Leads Today. Okay, Order Leads is Leads. Orderleadstoday.com. Now, it's going to forward you to this exact page that you're looking at. Please watch this YouTube video. It explains exactly what I do. And I have 5 of these accounts because it's only $1 a day. And I get enough leads and signups through this system I'm going to show you, where it justifies $1 a day, $30 a month. I gladly spend $150 a month by having 5 of these accounts. Okay, now let me show you why. And boom, there we go. Okay, if you do join, this is the page that you're going to log into. And go through each tab, okay? But if you're going to email, you need to go to the mailing system. And you're going to watch this link right here. Click here to watch training video. What it does is it shows you how to make a basic email or a fancy one and send it. Okay, now watch how fast I can do this. Okay, I want to mail by date. Okay, today is, let's see, July 3rd of 2024. Watch when I hit select all. This company mails every single one of these emails 58,500. I don't have to worry about the spam issues, compliance. If there's a dead email, someone just deactivates their email, this company handles all of that. All I do is just hit select all, and I can send all my emails if I want, okay, over a 23-hour period. Or if you just want to send 200 a day, 100 a day, maybe you only want to send 1,000. It's totally up to you. But I like to send every single email lead I have every single time I email. So I hit select all. Now, right here, send from Cory or from my lead gen secret. Okay, most people have never heard of my lead gen. It's for us maniacs who make money online and like to send emails to business opportunists. Okay, so I recommend that you send from yourself, and you can put your name. My name's Cory Draper, so I put that, or if you have a business, but you decide. I like to have emails come from me. Now, see this drop down arrow. These are a whole bunch of emails I've already sent, probably 100 and something, okay? I'll give you every single one of these for free if you want to join. I'll send you exactly what I do as far as subjects. Okay, see right here? All these little phrases, this is what I put in the subject of the emails, hopefully that people find them interesting enough to open the email, okay? Today is the day to join us. What would you do? What if this works? I should have done this already. Okay, did you call me? Watch this before the weekend. Okay, I'll just click. How about today is the day to join us? I click it and see when I hit the word load. I almost said Lloyd. See, the subject is right there. Today is the day to join us. All right, there's the owner. Say hello of this fine company. Now, look, the email's already it's just put in there. Okay, I put a unsubscribe, little click thing if people want to unsubscribe. For some reason, I'm having a heck of a time saying the darn word. But here's an email that I'll send you, and I'll send you all of them. I have about 125, I think, last time I counted. And the subjects as well. And you can just go ahead and look at it and see where it says 5 minutes. The reason I'm making this right now is that when this counter timer, it starts off at 23 hours. Now, 22 hours and 55 minutes ago is when I sent my last email. So see, when this countdown timer gets to 000, a button right here that says send, and there's another button that says preview. I can hit the preview button, and this email that I created will pop out in another screen, and I can proofread it, and I can click the links to make sure that they go where I want them to. Okay, and you can see my emails are kind of short and sweet. I don't put a lot of pictures. I don't want them distracting. I like my emails to be short enough where, guys, in like 30 seconds, maybe 45 seconds max, they can read the email. And if they want to delete it, they're on their way. And if they want my emails to come every day, that's awesome. I sure hope they do. But if they want to unsubscribe, they just click that little button right there. Okay, boom. Okay, look, I got 4 minutes to go. All right. And what I want you to do is just go to orderleadstoday.com. All right, the guy really shows you in detail. It's about 9 minutes. It's just a YouTube video. And if you want to join, all you got to do is click this red button. Okay, it's $1 a day to get 100 leads. Now, if you look right here, see where it says 200 leads? The reason why I get 200 leads is because I have about 400 to 500 people that have signed up with this opportunity. Well, guess what? If one person just signs up with you, not only do you get 100 leads, they double it. You get 200 a day for only $1. Okay? 6,000 email leads every 30 days for $30, guys. $1 a day. All right? So if your opportunity, oh gosh, I have opportunities that make me $25. I have some that make me $100. And my Legacy Builders program makes me $900 a sign up. Okay? So for $30, I have 30 days of emails coming in. And all I do is copy, paste, send. I hit select all. I can write a brand new email if I want right here. I can just clean that out right there and delete and put something else. I can definitely clear this out. See, I can just go like this. Boom. And start from scratch. And if you want to use my emails, just change, instead of from Cory Draper, see, I put my email address right there. And then right there, I put Facebook and YouTube. Okay. But if you want to use my emails, please go ahead. And over a week or a month's time, I think it's kind of fun to email. You'll come up with your own way and your own style. Mine, I've had really good success just keeping them short and sweet. I just want people to click the link so they can watch the video to my opportunities. Okay? Just like I'm inviting you, because I send emails out for people to join this exact opportunity. Okay? That's how I'm making a couple $1,000s a month just as an affiliate. Okay? So this is how I get people to sign up underneath me. I go to the affiliate section right here, and off to the left it's Promo Tools tab. See the sizzle page, that link? Boom. Well, guess what? That's the link to this exact page. So what I do is I bought orderleadstoday.com. I forward it to this link right here. And if you guys do want to check out this YouTube video, and if you want to join, that's awesome. All right? You join my team, you join my group. That's why I'm more than willing to give you 125 emails that I've had really good success over the last year sending out and getting people to sign up. I'm in 3 or 4 other companies and I'm doing really well. And half my success is from emails. I can only do so many YouTube videos and posting on social media, but guys, where else am I going to get? And look at this mailing system. Look at that. I hit select all. Look at that number. 58,500 emails can go out after I go ahead and just put a subject in, put an email right in here, and look at that. In 1 minute and 21 seconds, all right, it's going to pop up and rock and roll. Okay. And I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like. I'll go ahead and just chat for another minute. I started online business. Well, I've known about it for 30, 40 years, but I really didn't want to do an online business until about March of 2023. I joined a company called LIVEGOOD, and I love the products, and the opportunity is affordable, and I love it. I'm a big fan. And over the last year and a half, I've been able to recruit a lot, hundreds and thousands of people, not hundreds of thousands, but thousands of people. They've received my emails. They watch my videos here, and I make real good money with LIVEGOOD. And then I found other opportunities that definitely benefit LIVEGOOD, like this opportunity. Because most people, you're going to run out of ideas. If you're brand new, you don't have a list, you're kind of like, oh, I'm stuck. What do I do? I tell everyone, don't worry about the webcam. Don't worry about the list yet. Let's just get $1 out or $30 and let's get you emailing. I don't know how to email. I'm going to send you 125 that I've used and they work. All you got to do is just, the link that goes to your capture page or your name. And I put my Facebook link and other things in my emails. But I've had really good I've had good success with emails. Okay. All right. I just saw my screen flash. That means that I can now send an email. So check it out. I can hit select all here. Now, if I want to use an email that I've already sent out, let's just do this one right here. I have a question for you. I hit load. Now I look, see the email's loaded, and see perfect timing. If I click that, you know what that is? This software is so advanced that before it emails all 58,000 people, it can tell when is the most popular time that person opens the email. It could be in the morning, eating breakfast, afternoon, night. And what it'll do is it'll email each person right before their most common time that they open their email up. Okay? Because we want your email and my email to be at the top of the list, not at the bottom. Okay? Now, see, I told you send email or preview. Let's just preview. Okay, today's the day to join us. Okay, and you can read this, weather here, boo, boo, boo. Now, see when people click the link? Okay, you want to click each link to make sure that the link really does work. Okay, in this case, all right, I went ahead and clicked it. And here's my opportunity here. If you guys want to check this one out, this is my biggest moneymaker. Makes me $900 a day. Very, very common income. Go to the900group.com. I own that. The900group.com. And look at that. There's my name. There's my email. All right. Boom. Facebook link, YouTube link, and then boom. If I like it, close it up. Now see where it says send? If I click send, guess what? 58,000 people over the next 23 hours are going to get an email from me. And it's $1 a day. So let's just repeat. Go to orderleadstoday.com. Watch this YouTube video. And if you'd like to join, go ahead and just click this red rectangle button and rock and roll. Emails equate to 50% of my income, and I make a really good living right now, guys. All right, half my income, that's about 8 to 10,000. Okay, if I take away all my emailing, my 5 accounts with this company, all right, there goes 100,000 because I send about 95,000 emails per day. Every 23 hours, I have 5 accounts churning and burning while I'm talking to you guys or sleeping or producing a car show or just eating ding dongs. Guess what? My emails are slowly and organically going out. And these are the people that want business opportunities sent to them. What do you think? All right. I'm excited if you're watching my videos. Okay? Get a hold of me if you join, and I'll gladly send you the 125 plus emails and the subjects that I've used. Okay? And that's it. So order leads today, and my work is done. So thanks, you guys, for your time and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Okay. I should have some more videos popping up by my head right now. Okay. Take care, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.